Good morning, students of Standard 7. Subject Science. Today I am going to teach you about nutrition in human. Digestion in human is extracellular digestion. It is not intracellular digestion. So, it takes place outside the cell in an enclosed structure. We take food, through the mouth, digest, absorb, and utilize. The unused part of the food are defeated. Digestive system of the human consists of the gut, or you can say alimentary canal, along with the associated digestive system. During digestion, ये large insoluble pieces of food are broken down into small soluble substances which are absorbed through the walls of the intestine into the blood stream. You can see digestive system of human being in picture. In the process of digestion, enzyme break down carbohydrate to simple sugar, fats to fatty acid and glycerol, and protein to amino acid. I think you understand. Our digestive system, start from mouth. The other organs of digestive system are teeth, tongue, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. You can see in the picture. We are going to start from mouth. The process of digestion begin in the mouth. The mouth contains teeth, tongue, salivary gland. They work together in chewing the food. Chewing, when we are going to chew the food, it break down the food, break down into small pieces and mixes with saliva. And saliva is a digestive juice. Saliva is digestive juice, which is secreted by salivary gland. And the mixing and chewing of food is called the mastication. Mastication, mixing and chewing the food is known as mastication. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase. Which enzyme? Amylase, which convert the starch into sugar, so it tastes sweet. When we are going to chew food, that after some time you feel sweetness in that. Because of this enzyme, amylase, when amylase mix in them, that change carbohydrate into sugar, starch into sugar. So, it is sweet. Number 7, which help in chewing of food, teeth. Our teeth cut, tear, grind the food. By teeth we cut food, we tear food, and we grind. So, before swallow, we have different type of teeth in our mouth. There are 4 type of teeth. You can see in the picture. these four type of teeth are these four type of teeth are these teeth are incisor means cutting teeth. Second, canine means tearing teeth. And premolars and molars, these are grinding teeth. First, incisor, you can see in picture. Incisors are the front 8 teeth, 4 lower side and 4 upper side of the jaw. These are flat, chisel-shaped teeth, well adapted for cutting and biting of food items. Number second, canine, you can see. In adult, each jaw has 2 canines which are pointed teeth for tearing together, such as me. Number third, premolar, you can see. There are 2 premolar on each side of each jaw. They have flat surface bearing small grooves and ridges and are well adapted to crush and grind food. And last, molar. These are the last 3 teeth on both sides in both the jaw. Their function is to grind the food properly. You can understand about teeth, about tooth decay. To make, first thing, try to understand, a child has 20 has only 20 such teeth, 10 in each jaw, and human being, adult human, has 32 teeth in all, each 16 teeth in each jaw, So 16, 32, and try to understand about tooth decay. What is tooth decay? Then, to make our teeth neat and shiny, you must brush your teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Those who do not brush regularly or not wash their mouth after taking food, snacks, chocolates suffer from dental plaque. Sugar left in the mouth to produce acid and soften the enamel, mean outer layer of teeth. Bacteria cells along with food particles stick to the teeth to form the dental plaque. Poor oral hygiene may cause toothache, inflammation, bad breath, and make teeth yellow. So you must brush your teeth regularly, early in the morning and before going to bed. Okay? See, the white substance of teeth which cover the teeth is called enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body. All of us have 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. The first set when we are babies and last until we are about 8 years old. These are known as the milk teeth or temporary teeth. These teeth are replaced by permanent teeth. Okay? So, today I taught you about human digestive system, and in digestive system first topic teeth, mouth, and mouth about teeth, and about salivary gland secreted enzymes, amylase. So today's homework, you also make this digestive system, the note copy, and try to understand about part of alimentary canal, mouth, esophagus, stomach, spleen, large intestine, small intestine, colon, cecum, rectum, appendix, liver, gallbladder, duodenum, bile duct, pancreas, trachea, pharynx, about salivary gland, parotid salivary gland, and sublingual salivary gland, submandibular salivary gland. You can understand, you can draw this picture in your note copy. Thanks.